Roll out fondant evenly. Roll to the perfect 1/8 or 1/16 in height. Easy to handle. Perfect for use with fondant multi-packs and cutouts. A few disposable decorating bags filled with colored icing, couplers and piping tips are all it takes to make beautiful cupcakes. From a rosette to a flower in full bloom, you've got this with these buttercream tools. Use fondant to add an extra dimension of design to cakes, cupcakes and cookies. Use your desired color of ready-to-use fondant, then cut or mold shapes using the fondant cutout sets or impression mats and attach to your dessert. You can even take white fondant and mix it with other colors to create a marbleized effect that will add even more dimension to your designs. With Wilton tools and accessories, you can start sharpening your decorating skills. With decorating bags, piping tips and a practice board, you will be able to perfect your techniques so that next time, you know whatever you decorate will turn out beautifully. Top reviews from the United States. Easy to use. This rolling pin rolled my fondant very well. I am a total fondant newbie. I'll admit that I haven't worked with fondant on more than 2 or 3 occasions. When I was first getting started with fondant, I was stocking up on all of the supplies I would need. One of the things I purchased was this rolling pin. I don't make very large cakes, so I bought the smaller rolling pin. When it arrived, it was a little smaller than I had thought it was, but I knew that I could still make it work. The rolling pin is made of a silicone-type material, so it does not stick to the fondant like a wooden rolling pin would. It also comes with a couple rubber stoppers to measure how thick of fondant you're rolling out. When I first started rolling out the fondant, I would use a lot of Crisco to prevent it from sticking to the table. This made the fondant very easy to work with and pliable when using the rolling pin. One other downside to the rolling pin is that it does not have any handles. You have to manually push it around when you're rolling out the fondant, which might not work for some people. The rolling pin washes off very well, and does not accumulate residue inside of the plastic. My main concern with the silicone-type rolling pin was if it was going to start accumulating bacteria inside of the pores, but I'm not worried about that with this rolling pin.